In the laser industry, every micro of precision can revolutionize the field. Every improvement in accuracy can fill unmet gaps in the market, and we trust clients and our judgments without hesitation. Every client who chooses LaserMen does so first and foremost out of trust. Trust begins with rigor at first glance. Every meticulously calibrated optical path undergoes our relentless and stringent testing. This beam of light is the soul of smart manufacturing. Behind it lies our years of unwavering pursuit of technological innovation. From independent R&D of core laser sources to every algorithm optimization in the intelligent control system, we craft equipment for our clients that is simpler, smarter, and more trustworthy. High quality is not just a slogan. It is a belief etched into our DNA, a promise encoded into every device we produce. What we manufacture is not just advanced laser equipment, but a partnership you can always rely on. We are deeply mindful of the weight of trust placed in us, and we work forward with you toward the future.